I'm Malcolm Kerr. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Tesla NanoCoatings. Some examples of industries that we've used our products are in the offshore market, where our products are widely used. We've got over 1.5 million square feet protected over the last 7 years in the Gulf of Mexico. We also work with some OEM customers and fabricators of steel products that end up in harsh environments. At Tesla, we've had a large focus on the offshore industry, primarily oil and gas, but we're also looking at getting into the offshore wind industry. The offshore environment is one of the harshest environments there is on the earth for corrosion, and that's where our products really serve our customers well. And they do two things. Our simplification of the installation process, where we take a 3-coat system and cut it down to 2, really allows them to save time and money on the installation of the products. And then the durability of our products also leads to a much longer coating life, so that the customers don't have to go back and redo their coatings as frequently. We had a customer who was fabricating some equipment to go offshore, and of course there was delays in fabrications, as there often is, and paint is the last thing to get applied. They were going to have to ship that equipment offshore, where they would have had to then send painters out to coat it installed offshore. We were able to solve that problem, get the equipment blasted, primed, top coated, and sent out the next day.
We've got platforms around the world that are being protected. And I've been here 8 years, and our oldest project's 13 years old now. That was studied by an independent consultant in the time that they had gone down and looked at it. It was an elevated water, well, no, it was ground storage water tanks on that one. There's another project that's about 11 years old, it's elevated water tank. And both of them have no corrosion, active corrosion on them. They were dirty, but there was no active corrosion on the tanks. And that was in a decade worth of performance. So where other people say our stuff will last 50 years, it's because they know they won't be around 50 years to have to actually answer for it. People ask us, and I tell them I don't know. I can tell you our oldest project right now is about 13 years old, so I can definitely tell you that. And we think it'll go double that easy and probably longer than that. But at least we're pointing to real data, real projects, real lab testing.